What the fuck? Alright, what's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today is Sunday. You'll probably see this video on Tuesday or Wednesday, I don't know. My videos, I've been trying to really crank them out when I have time, and on the weekends I've had a pretty good amount of time, so I'm trying to crank out as many videos as I can on the weekend, and then I'll just upload them throughout the week. That way you guys have plenty of content. So today is Sunday, March 18th. Today's my brother's birthday, but he's out in Vegas celebrating, and shout out to Rachel for taking him out there. He liked it. It was a huge surprise. Anyways, I am in the middle of wiring my booster pump, so I just found the wire I need to run and tap into. So the booster pump just helps your fuel pump run a lot more efficient, and it helps it flow better, so it should help with the E85. And I shouldn't run out of fuel pump, so hopefully that works. If not, I'll have to upgrade to a double fuel pump, but we'll see how it works. That's what was recommended to me. So I'm getting to wire that, so I'll show you guys. So I've got the back seats out, just because I'm going to take them out for the roll race event anyways. I've got the compressor out, the sub's under there somewhere. I got extension cord, don't worry about that. So here's the booster pump. So I just need to wire that up. Fuel pump control module's in there. I know it's pretty dark so you can't see it. So I just got to wire that up, and I need to run a boost line up to the front off of my supercharger, which there's already one ran for the methanol, so I'm just going to tap into that one. And what that does is it makes the Kenny Bell boost pump only run under boost, so that way it's not being run all the time because it's not good for it. So I want to show you guys what I got Kevin for his birthday, as I'm going to surprise him. So he surprised me with the wrap for the car. It's kind of hard to top. So I'll show you the first thing, just something small. So, and this for the people that don't think Kevin's demon is real, it's real. So I got this framed. So I got his window sticker framed. So we're gonna hang all the window stickers of all the cars here eventually. I don't know where his other ones are, so I just started with the Demon one. So there it is. If you guys wanna see it, specifically built for Kevin Van Vorst. So, as you know, our tattoo artist here locally, Jordan, shout out to Jordan, he tattooed the Van Vorst Garage Graffiti. And if you haven't seen it, here it is. So we got the VV logo, geez, I can't talk today, and the Van Vorst Garage logo. So what I thought would be cool is having Jordan graffiti some more stuff on in the garage, because Kevin loves graffiti and he loves Jordan's work. He's really a fan of it. So I thought it would be cool to have Jordan come in and graffiti a Demon logo and maybe a Hellcat logo also, as a surprise to Kevin. To add it to the wall, because I know he likes graffiti, he likes Jordan's art, and the Demon's finally coming. So just to add to the garage, I'm going to show you guys in just a second, just hold on. So I sent the logos to Jordan. He's a graffiti artist, he's a really good artist. Doesn't just do graffiti, does graffiti, tattoos, all that good stuff. And he came over today, so him and his brother came over, and he's like, I have an idea to mix the Hellcat logo with the Demon logo. And at first I was like, man, maybe we should do them separately, because, you know, we have demons and we have a demon and a Hellcat in here, so it might be better to do them separately. But when he kind of explained it to me, I was like, dude, that's an awesome idea. So what he did is he used the bottom half of the Hellcat. I swear, this logo could be on a t-shirt, it could be a tattoo. Kevin might get it tattooed, maybe. Comment below if you think Kevin should get this tattooed. Anyways, this could be on a t-shirt, a hat. I guarantee he could sell this logo, but he took the bottom half of a Hellcat and took the upper half of the Demon and connected them. You ready to see this? This is really cool, and it looks really clean. And they hand painted this. They were gonna add graffiti, but they thought it would be too much. It would mess with the clean lines of the Hellcat logo and the Demon logo. So it's hand painted, and there's no crazy graffiti, it's just black lines. So here it is. Look at this. How freaking cool. So the top half, you could see from about the eye up, is the Demon, and then you've got the Hellcat mouth, and that's the Hellcat nose. So how freaking cool is that? I hope Kevin likes it. He may not like the idea of mixing them, so I'm hoping he likes it. So this video will continue. You'll see Kevin's reaction. He gets home tomorrow on Monday. So I'm gonna add Kevin's reaction to the end of this video. But there's the logo. You guys saw it first. He'll probably upload a picture of it, I'm sure. But look how freaking cool that is. It's massive too. It's pretty big. Like, this is a big wall. So just so you can kind of see in reference, there's my car with the other graffiti Jordan's done. And there's the logo. I think it's fucking cool. Excuse my language, but I think it's really cool. So hopefully Kevin likes it. If not, I guess we could always paint over it and do the demon logo separate from the Hellcat. But I think it's really cool. It's something different. You don't see it too often. So I'm surprising Kevin with that, and with framing his window sticker for the demon. And we had the Ceramic Pro banner hung up where the logo is now, and so I decided to hang it up here. So my plan is to start ordering some banners and add banners kind of all the way across, obviously not covering the lights, but anywhere it's open up here, just add some banners. So I'll continue this video when we see Kevin's reaction. So I'll see you guys when that happens. What? What the fuck? Let's see if he figures out why it looks weird. Damn. Who did that? Jordan and his brother. So the bottom half is the Hellcat. The top is the demon. It's not a whole demon. Dude, it's not a whole
that's
Hellcat.
Sick. Does Rachel know?
No. I figured you guys would have figured it out because they came to the house yesterday and rang the doorbell.
Rachel! Come here!
See what Rach dog thinks.
Oh, that's cool.
I hand painted that.
It's a Helldemon.
The teeth and the nose are the Hellcat, and then the top is the demon.
Damn, they should have done the logo like that.
I know, I was like, on my video, I was like, man, we could probably sell that logo on a t-shirt.
Holy shit.
Yeah, him and his brother hand painted it.
A Helldemon.
That's sick as fuck.
That's really cool.
Holy shit.
Alright, here's your other thing too. You can take it off.
Oh, hell yeah.
It's laminated inside there in case the frame breaks.
That's sick.
I was gonna do all the cars, but I don't know where they are. I just knew where that one was.
Damn.
So we're gonna either hang them there or hang them somewhere else, but
That's sick. Yeah, what? We'll figure that out. Damn, that's cool.